Sup, players? Hang on a second. Let me get this link. See, you can go live and go live in the middle of the day. We just got to go do the back channels. Back channels? How do I? Actually, I don't know how to share this link. There's got to be a way to share the link, right? Share. There it is. Copy. Look at me learning. Paste. Oh, there now. Hit that link. Paste. Boom. What? Oh, poop commercial. Look at this. I'm on my own delay. Check, 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 check. Hey now. Oh, I almost canceled the wrong one. Wait, how do I get out of here? I'm stuck. I'm an idiot. All right, I got it to work. Sup, players? Yeah. Just got to click a few buttons to find me live. I've been live the whole day. What a day. I mean, it never ends. It really never ends. Just got this GDC, just missed it by a freaking tick. I'd like to pretend that I caught this move. Oh my God. What up, Todd? Well, you can't see the charts now. What I'm gonna do is I gotta get this YouTube thing working a little bit better. There's a way to set the YouTube up. It's so much easier for me just to hit the button and I go live. It'd be nice if you could see my charts while I'm talking, but I'm gonna get that to work. I gotta load the OBS. Hey, what up, Spiffy? I'm gonna load the OBS into the YouTube. So then if I need to do a live session on the fly, I could just press the button, share the link, and we can go live. So, yeah, my biggest fear every time I come back from vacation is that nobody will love me. That's my first fear. And then I get over that one pretty quickly. Second fear is that I'm going to forget how to trade. Third one is that I'm afraid that there won't be any reversal trades. So and then my fourth fear is that there'll be nothing to do. So I came in and we didn't even miss a beat today. Right out of the gate, Sophie short. Wham! Getting paid. On semiconductor. Didn't trade it. Wasn't really doing too much. Besides the point. You had NCLH. Dip. Rip. Check mark of the Lord. You're getting paid. Wham! Fear's over. First two trades, I'm back. First high quality trades, earnings reversals, earning gaps. Then you had on semiconductor. And then I'm sitting here with an IC call spread, which I am now 4 for 170 on my call spreads this year. Track record intact, baby. I never said I was good at call spreads, but I walk in, I see we got the 25-40 call spread for, what was it, July or June? We're actually making money. Stock got taken over, but that's not even the best part. CDLX, which I thought once it hit 750 and collapsed, I was like, all right, we're done. We got paid in April. We're going to give it back in July. And this thing gaps up, pulls back, gives us a chance to get it 750 on the VWAP, and then goes to 880, which is the 1-year VWAP. Do not be sleeping on my CDLX. Now, if you didn't buy the 820 to 880 on the CDLX, now you got your chance. So again, still not comfortable enough to own the stock because there's an offering out there. I don't want to wake up seeing this stock down 50%. So I'm rolling into the CDLX calls for June, June 10s right now. I bought them at 75, 8 and 80 and 85. Now they're 85 by 95. You could do a June 10, 12 call spread. Again, I wouldn't even bother with the 12s and a halves because you're going to cap your gain if this thing takes off. But I don't think it's going to go to, when I look at CDLX, I'm looking at a stock that has a massive yearly Kardashian bottom. We got the first stage. The first stage was to get to $8. And I mean, if you could believe this price, I mean, I can't believe it myself, but the target was 894. 894. We got to 880 today. So we did everything this thing was looking to do. I was looking for 894 over the next month or so. We got there today. So now it's a power gap. We got to wait for it to consolidate. Whatever today's high is. So right now, 885. 885 breaks, you get 894. If CDLX goes over 894, I got the stock going at least to test the double top at $10.30. So you got another 12 and a half, 15%. But if you could get CDLX above 1020, 1030, then you're looking at 1168. 1168 is fantastic. So if it's only going to go to 1168, and again, that's the next couple of targets. The reason the call spreads stink is, let's say CDLX really busts out. The stock could get to $14 and you're capping your gain at 12 and a half. So when the call spread works, it kind of doesn't work because a lot of times it caps your gain. With this one, I don't really think you're going to get to 12 and a half. That's why I don't mind buying $10 Junes for 85.90 and taking in the 35 and the 40. Because let's say it goes to 1168. Let's say we're perfect and it goes to 1175. The 10s will be worth 175 that you paid 85 for. And you've taken in the 35 or the 40 cents for the 1250s. Perfect scenario. That's why I'm digging it. And the best part about it, because my track record on call spreads stinks. I usually get Credo and Summit and fucking Palantir and all the other bullshit names that I get involved in. I'm not gonna not hedge myself because these trades don't normally work. But this one, we've hit on the stock, we've hit the call spread for April, we hit the lotto play for April. We're getting paid on the 750s for May, which I thought were done. Why not keep pushing it? The stock keeps paying us. I'm going to keep pushing it. So CDLX call spread, still loving it. Obviously, IC is over. Trade's done. I'm just going to I'm going to wait for the calls they're going to, exercise the calls and whatever. That one's done. That trade's over. It's not going to go over 40. The $40 is the takeover. So I don't know if you were in anything with me. I think it was the 25. What did we get? The 20. Where the hell are they? July. Wasn't the July 25, 25, 30? Oh, I got to find it. I don't have much. It's not a big deal. But CDLX, loving it. Love to see a consolidation. I'd love to see it pull back to the 820, hold it, and consolidate between 820 and 886. And then you could then you'll break out from there. So, and then you had TGTX, which was like, I didn't want to jump in with, very aggressively, but when you saw that big size on the offer, you learn a lot when you're with me. When you have momentum going in one direction, and in the case with TGTX, it was going straight up. They flash the big size, meaning there's a guy on the offer on the level 2. He flashes 67,000 shares. originally back in the day when I started trading, you saw a called overhead supply. So you would look at you'd look at the box and you'd say, all right, there's a lot of overhead supply here. Chances are we're not getting through there. I'm gonna sell right here. That's the game they're playing now. So they flash the overhead supply. The old school trader who looks at the tape says, oh, this thing ain't going any further. I'm going to sell it selling here at 27.80, 27.90, right? But then they flashed the massive size at 28. I was like, you got to be buying the stock still. Do not sell it. And if you didn't buy it yet, you might want to even jump in at the 28. 28 got you 31 on TGTX today. So between NCLH and NNOX is coming back right now. So, oh man, God damn it. I just wish I came on the air 20 minutes ago. I was going to tell you it faux show broed. It got to the 9. It came back to the VWAP. It pulled back and held the 940. And then if it breaks the VWAP at 970, you probably want to buy it. We just would have got paid. Not doing it now because it already happened. So again, the setup, my one loss today was NNOX, two losses on the same stock. Couldn't get it. You could have made it. Hold on. Don't forget I have ADHD and all the other D's. I always start cooking and then I get on the air and I burn what I was trying to make. Oh, NNOX, you son of a bitch. Oh, you motherless bastard. Gosh, shit. Anyway. Damn! You guys see my charts, right? You guys in Money Map Press, you see my charts. Now you see what the hell I'm talking about. Oh, you motherfucker! Oh, the whole hell. Oh, hell's breaking loose. Oh, Rambus, new highs. Oh, we're good. Oh, my God. Tell me you guys were watching this NNOX chart. Come on, there's the trade. You made it all back. I told you. Told you earlier. Wait for the setup. If it gets to 9. And there it is, kids. 978 just got you 11. There's the ass crack VWAP break. Damn it, man. These dumplings just cost me $1,000. These better be good. Ooh, they're hot. Wow. Now you see why you just could sit here all day and make the same trades. You just wait for the setup. This is not as hard as they make it seem. That's the fallacy. Not even the fallacy. That's the scam. The TV people want to make this into some bewildering event where nobody can figure it out. This is the easiest trading I've ever seen in my life. I've been doing this for 30 years. I've never seen trading this easy. Oh, man, 1999 was so much better, man. I had Rambus and it went up 80 points. That's not trading. I saw that comment on one of my videos. You don't know what you're talking about if you think this environment's any good. 20 years ago, I had Rambus at $30 and it went to 90 in like 6 days. I made 30 grand. Wow. I didn't say anything about buying and holding. Yeah, if you bought stocks at the beginning of 1999 and you decide I'm going to hold on for 18 months, sure, that was a great 18 months. Congratulations. I've never seen trading as good as this. because the trades consistently set up, and all day they're setting up. I mean, I'm usually not at the desk all day. There has been something to do all day, and it's one after another. It's TGTX, then it goes back, then you got GDC, and then suddenly NNOX comes along. Then it's back to the Qs. Then Rambus comes along for the ride. Then On Semiconductors breaking 75. 75 gets you 70, 75 got you 77.50. There was 20 or 30 individual pretty decent trades today. And then rolled right into NNOX right here. I mean, this is real money. This is 985 right back to the 1120. Would have killed for this trade before. And then you had Beferg. What a sick day. I can't believe that just happened. Yeah, the Qs, they're stuck in the range. So you have to buy the dip. See, people lose focus when I say, the market's never going down. Market goes down for 2 hours. Oh, man, I thought you said the market will never go down. I didn't say it can't go. Didn't say it wasn't going to pull back. But chances are there will be buying, and there's buying every day. I think it's running out of steam up here, which I hope. I hope I'm wrong. I hope this market gets. I want to see the Qs down. I would love to see the Qs back at 308. 308 to 330, 308 to 330, 308 to 330. Trade the earnings reversals in the middle. Catch a couple of NNOXs and CDCs and TGXs and CDLXs. Every day's an extravaganza. That's why there's never, ever any fear. You miss a trade, there's another one coming along. Sometimes 20 minutes down the road, and sometimes you have to wait till tomorrow. There's always something to do. But normally I'm out of the desk. I'm off the desk so many times. So anyway, Vegas, check what I got. I got a Roman coin. Can't really appreciate it there. I went all the way to the Day Traders Expo. We took a bunch of knuckleheads from my website and Money Map Press. It was a good time. Actually, great time. Perfect time. I think I drank about 150 gallons of water. That's why I was feeling good the whole time. As much as I drank 2 nights, drank 10 times as much water. Stayed hydrated, got my sleep. First night, second night, I got hit. We had the steak. I was out like a light. I wasn't even trying to fight that. I was done. So Monday night, I went to sleep early. It was a long ass day. We did the expo, met some good people. Quickie lunch, then hit the pool, and then we did the steakhouse, and then I was done. Tuesday night was awesome. Tuesday night, we went out to the foundation room. I was saving up for that night. That couldn't have went better. We had this limo waiting for us outside the hotel, banging. It was awesome. But yeah, feeling pretty good. And if it wasn't for me screaming like a lunatic when all my numbers started hitting at the roulette table. By the way, let me tell you the story about the roulette table. Where's my hat? So my original website was Suck My NASDAQ, right? And the idea was that I was having such a bad run. This whole industry is built on, it's all built on fraud and manipulation and shell game. But what it's really built on is the idea that somebody knows more than you and you should pay them for their advice, right? That's the whole premise of the industry, right? So I wanted to be the other guy. I was like, damn, I suck. I haven't got a trade right, and even when I get them right, I sell them and they go up after they go up a lot more after I get out. Everybody's had the same experience. So I launched the website just to show people how bad I am. And I was like, if you take the opposite side of my trades, you actually can make money. And it was the dumbest premise in the world, but it actually was working. I was like, can I make money from this? and I filmed the whole entire infomercial. I spent like $20,000. We filmed all this stuff. I had a spokesmodel, and the whole idea was that I built my own firm around how awful of a trader I was. And everybody's just, again, it was my only way to make money was I let people exploit me for how bad a trader I was. And I was like, and then once a year, we go to Vegas and I take all my members to on a Vegas trip because I want them to experience something extraordinary. And the joke, and we filmed it all, right? We went to, I'm on YouTube, Viper. So we went out to, I took my film crew out to Vegas. We filmed some stuff in the casinos, illegally. You're not supposed to film in a casino. So we did a couple of quick shots. And then we went out to the Vegas sign. I did a pitch. And the pitch was, if you think I lose money in the stock market, wait till you see me in the casinos. But the joke became reality. So the joke is, I like roulette because usually I'm drunk or high and I don't want to concentrate on what I'm doing. I just put bet on some numbers and I hope for the best. And if you win, you win. If you lose, you lose. Generally, I'm a loser. But the magic, it's just like the stock market. I sell, stock goes up. I lose. Once I'm done losing, the numbers that I just were playing will hit as soon as I walk away. So we did the experiment. So I lost my money. And then I told my man, Eric, who we were pretending was my father-in-law at the time. I was like, Eric, now that I've lost my money, put some money on 24. But wait till I leave, then put the money on the 24. So I'm standing I'm like halfway across the casino. And I'm looking and I'm waiting. I'm just, again, I couldn't go too far. I needed to see the number pop up. I see 24 and I'm like, yeah, motherfucker. And I'm yelling because I'm already drunk and I'm all high. It's tough on the vocal cords. So I'm screaming, 24, yeah. So I come running over and I'm like, yeah. So he's about to walk away. I'm like, okay, we just won. Let me show you how the magic works. You don't get up until you lose. I was like, the next number is going to be 17 or 18. Next number. Bang, 18. Obviously, I run across to the slot machines. I see the 18 come up. I come running back over. I told you, motherfucker. So now we hit the 24, we hit the 18. So I said, all right, listen, these numbers are going to hit again. Don't forget about the 36. It's one of my own numbers that I play. I said, keep some on the 24. Just take a little bit off the 24. Take a little bit off, not the 17, but keep a little bit on the 17 and the 18, the 24. So we bet the side panel. We get the 23, 24, 25, and 26. So we had that whole thing. Bang, 23 hits. Winner, 3 in a row. That was a small win because we only hit the outskirts of the 23. And he's ready to leave. He's like, come on, let's go. I'm like, no. You don't leave until you get wiped out. Meaning you don't leave the table until a number comes up that you have nothing on. So now we're 3 for 3. I'm like, 36 coming up. So he's like, all right, 36. So he puts, I think, 12 or 15 bucks on 36. Wham, 36. That was a good one. Then 36 hits. I'm freaking out at this point. I'm like, do I really have magic powers? I mean, this is insane. So I was like, we can't leave on a roll. As soon as we don't hit one, that's when we leave. So then we spun it again. 31 came out. We had nothing on that. Let's get up and leave. See ya. And it was just so sick how this has got to be 2006. that we filmed it. I wasted $20,000 hiring spokesmodels, uh, on location shoots just for a goof because I thought it'd be one of the most funniest things anybody ever did. I built a firm around how inept I was. And I thought that was genius. I mean, it is funny, but I never got to film it. I wasted so much time, so much money. But one of the ending parts was I bring all my members to the Vegas trip to show them how to make money on roulette, and it actually happened. I mean, it was incredible, incredible stuff. But then I sit back today, and it's more or less the same day as every other day. Blah blah blah. People talking about recession. Blah blah blah. Earnings this. Blah blah blah. We're all gonna die. Market doesn't want to go down. You play some reversals. You make some money, and you have a nice day. And here we are. So if you haven't heard, I'm back on the air already. I think I was like, why? Look, I don't know if you guys know what happened this morning, but they're trying a new format. And I was like, okay, I understand the new format, but give me a heads up that I'm not even involved. I went from being on from pretty much 8 to 11:30 to not. So I was like, okay. I was like, at least give me my 15 minutes from 9:15 to 9:30 in front of some newbies to let them know who I am. And I think we're back on schedule tomorrow. So I don't know. But my friends, here's what I wanted to talk to you guys about. I'm doing the dumbest trade ever. Call spread into the earnings report because I have to. I have to. I have to put this trade on. This is one of those trades where I'm officially announcing this is the fear of missing out. I'm putting a call spread on into an earnings report with options because I have the fear of missing out. So all of these reasons are reasons that people lose money, and I'm still putting this trade on. And you know what it is? It's Rambus. Rambus is reporting tonight. There's no way this stock's going to $50 without me being in it. So I'm doing it small. I got the 45. I bought the 45 Mays. Because I'm on a run. That was kind of what I was trying to get to. You don't stop pushing when you're on the run. So I walked in. One of my stocks was taken over. CDLX is rocking. Most. Oh my God! GDC's at $41 now. Oh my God! The stock's up 1,600%. Holy! This is a $3 stock. It's trading at $43 right now. That would have helped pay for this dumb call spread. Shit. Oh my God. Rambus is a chip company that helps with, I'll just say AI. Now you want to buy it, right? Rambus is a chip company from the late 80s, early 90s that was the king of all. And it just came back after a 20-year slumber. And it's pulled back 10 points. No, sorry, it's only pulled back 5 or 6. I was looking to buy it at 43 anyway. They're reporting numbers tonight. I'm buying $45 May calls. I bought them at 220. They're 220 by 235. So I'm buying 45s. I'm in from 220, and I sold the 50s for 50. I'm risking $1.70. Doesn't matter. But if this one works, I'm not going to say it's going to be a miracle, but I'm pushing the limit. So I'm doing the combination of what I just described is how most traders lose. Buying options into earnings reports, terrible idea, because you're guessing. Second of all, you're paying twice as much as they should be. That's why you have to do the call spread to take in some premium because you're getting ripped off. If this wasn't reporting tonight, these 45s would be maybe $1.20. We're paying $2.20. So you got to sell the 50s to offset the cost. So you're going into an earnings report with options. Terrible idea. You're picking one direction. Terrible idea. Call spreads in general. Terrible idea. So nothing good about the trade except I like the stock. and I think the numbers are going to be good, and I'm risking $1.70. Stock goes to $50. These 220s are going to be worth $5. We'll take in the premium. Hopefully this thing lands. Maybe it goes over 50. But tomorrow, if Rambus opens up down $1.75 and goes green, I'm immediately going to buy back the 50s. Listen to the strategy. So if it is gap down tomorrow, last time it was gap down, it reversed. It's exactly what you want. So let's say Rambus opens up down at $43. Oh, I can't believe I put a call spread on. Tomorrow morning, if you see Rambus at 43 and it's at 10:15 in the morning, and those $50 calls are down to 10 cents, cover the calls, cover the ones you sold, take your profit on those. And then if the stock starts to go and the 45s are sitting there at like 90 or $1.10, you double up on those. Stock starts to rally. They go back to just 220, where our cost average is from tonight. If you buy some more tomorrow, brings our cost average to $1.50 plus what we take in from the $50 calls that we sold. And hopefully all that works out exactly like I planned it. And most of the time, stocks do not go according to plan. But I was hoping to see Rambus in the 40s when they reported. We've been in this trade for 3 months already. We had the Novembers, remember? Got out of the Novembers. I threw some money on the Aprils. Garbage. Stock went. Did nothing for a month. Lost on those. So this is for this month. So I'm just buying the front month. We got 18 days. So if it doesn't go well tomorrow, we still have 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks for something to happen. Maybe we can get out of it. And again, I'm not going crazy on it, but just throwing it out there because that's one of my go-to names that I'm always talking about. I love the chip sector. I love this pullback. I love this stock. And there we have it. Other than that, I mean, perfect day. Perfect freaking day. By the way, here's some more for tomorrow if you guys don't have the watch list for tomorrow. So tomorrow's watch list are tonight's reports. Logitech, LOGI. If you guys want to follow along for tomorrow morning if I'm not around. Logitech, LOGI, NXPI, chip stock. One of the craziest things that's going to come out tomorrow is Avis, that crazy car stock, CAR. This stock moves 40 points tomorrow, probably. Either up or down, I couldn't tell you. It's weird stock. It's all split adjusted and bankrupt or whatever. You got ANET, which is Arista Networks, kind of like a Cisco. You got Diamondback Energy, which is FANG. You guys know FANG. But then you got RIG. RIG's rallying off that 5 and change area again. RIG dips again, 550 tomorrow. You're buying 550 calls immediately. The stock has been a gold mine off 550. So if you get a dip on the earnings, I'm back involved. You got MGM, watch the casinos. ZI is going to be big. Of course, Rambus. And that's about it. It's a lot of bank. Cybercock is coming out with earnings, CYH. And then tomorrow morning, you're going to have a whole nother bunch of stuff. You got Uber, Pfizer, BP. Be plenty going on. All right. Nice chatting with you. Hopefully we see Rambus. I would love to see Rambus. Maybe it'll be an easy trade. Just opens up at $52. You don't have to think about it. All right. This NNOX ain't going away either, by the way. So that dip was just bought. This might be a ripper into the close. Keep an eye on NNOX. All right. I'll see you kids tomorrow. Remember, still liquid and loving it. These trades I just described are just a fart in the wind of what we do. Make money on the day trades. Oh, there goes my Ergen again. This was a Turkish girl. She broke my heart when I was dating her in high school. I thought everything was going well. And then she told me that her dad will kill me if I ever show up at the house. I said, you know what? Maybe this relationship's not going to work out. Eurogen Pharma, Ergen, URGN, about to break 15. Oh, it's going to get halted. Be careful. She's going to break your heart again. Ergen, if you're out there, I still love you after all these years. All right. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good luck. Oh, go, Ergen! 15's a break. Oh, my God. Look at this thing ripping. Stupid. Where's IC? $38. No, we're good. All right. I'll see you in the morning, everybody. Good luck. Thanks for stopping by.